What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chips Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to be showing you a $5 project that will make you a ton of money. This is a cheese board or cutting board, charcuterie board, whatever you want to call it. And this is from a $30 piece of wood, and that $30 piece of wood, I was able to make 6 of these little cutting boards out of it. So $5 a piece, not bad at all. And you can turn these around and sell them for, 10, 15, 20 bucks, whatever the market decides. But these are a great product to give as gifts or to sell on Etsy or Facebook Marketplace. Let's get into it. Alright, so for this project, all you're going to need is a pencil, jigsaw, sander, mineral oil or cutting board oil, it's the same thing, measuring tape as always, and a piece of hardwood. This is a maple piece of hardwood. It is 6 feet long and it cost me $30. And I'm going to be able to make 6 cutting boards out of this, so 30 divided by 6, that's $5 a piece, so not bad at all. The best part is these can be used as cutting boards or cheese boards. I'm going to be selling them as cheese boards because they have the little handle, but you can cut on them and use them just like you'd use a cutting board. The first thing you want to do is decide how big you want it to be. I want mine to be, like I said, I want to make 6 of them, so I want them each to be a foot long. So just take your measuring tape and mark at 12 inches there. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then what you're going to do is you're going to design it yourself. You're just going to freehand draw the little handle. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the bad thing about these cheese boards, is that they all look different. If you have a cheese board already, like we do, you can trace it. This one's a little bit small, so I don't want to trace this one. I want to make my own. You can just go ahead and you see this, how it dips in right there for the handle. Just go ahead and copy that. They're all a little bit different and unique in their own way, so just go ahead and draw that yourself. Alright, so there's mine. As you can see, it's not perfect, and it does not need to be perfect because you are going to cut that out, and when you're using the jigsaw, you can kind of, go off the lines a little bit and make it look however you want to look. And once you're done cutting out the bulk of it, you can go and round off the edges and make it look nice, but this is just a very rough beginning. So now what we're going to do is take your piece over to your miter saw or whatever saw you want to use and just cut it off right where you're done drawing. Alright, so you see I've got mine drawn out there. It's a rough sketch. Now we're going to go ahead and cut that out with the jigsaw. So once you've got that cut out, this is what it's starting to look like. You're pretty close to done. Now, if you have a router, go ahead and route the edges. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a 1/8 inch round over bit to make the edges look really nice and clean. And then we're going to go ahead and sand the heck out of it. Now that we've got the edges rounded, it's looking a lot better, feels a lot nicer. So now we're going to get to sanding. I'm going to start with a 120 grit sandpaper, and then we're going to move up to finer grit sandpapers after that. Now that you've sanded that a few times, what we're going to do is grab the mineral oil and a shop towel, or paper towel, something like this, but these blue shop towels work best. You're just going to pour a nice amount of the mineral oil on it, just like that, and then just simply rub it in. And this is when you're really going to start to see this color from the grain and the wood pop. Alright, there we go. Now it's really looking good. The color is really popping. It's looking great, super shiny. So now what you're going to do is just let it sit for about an hour until it's nice and dry. Go over it again and you're going to be done. Alright, so once you've got that second coat on, you are done. It is now food and dishwasher safe. It looks great. I think it came out really good. $5 in wood and a little bit of work, and you got yourself a super nice, really pretty cutting board or cheese board. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're pretty close, so definitely subscribe. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.